everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make sake no hoiru yaki. Sake no hoiru yaki is salmon and some vegetables cooked in aluminum foil bag. And today I'm going to season it with soy sauce and butter, my favorite combination. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create the menu with this sake no hoiru yaki, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 salmon fillet, shimeji mushroom, onion, carrot, 2 tablespoons each of sake, soy sauce and butter, and some green onion to garnish. At first, let's sprinkle some salt on both sides of the salmon. This is to season the salmon and also to bring out the fishy smell. It's about 1 teaspoon per fillet. And leave this for 10 minutes or so. In the meantime, let's prepare the vegetables. So shimeji mushroom. Cut the bottom off. And just break it into pieces. Carrot, cut the top off. Make some thin slices. Let's cut them out using this cookie cutter. Onion, cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin, cut into half and slice thinly. Green onion, cut the bottom off, cut them into half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together, and slice thinly. This is to garnish after the salmon and the vegetables are cooked, so let's put it in a small bowl and set it aside. Back to salmon. It's been 10 minutes and the salmon is sweating. The salt brought out the excess moisture and the fishiness, so let's dry them using paper towel. Just pat them with paper towel on both sides. All the ingredients are ready, so let's wrap them with aluminum foil. Prepare aluminum foil about this size and let's put 1/4 of everything other than the green onion. Sliced onion, shimeji mushroom, salmon, sake, soy sauce, carrot, and butter. Bring up here and here. Put them together and fold it down. fold both sides in. Do the same for the other 3 salmon fillets. All done, so let's put them in the oven and grill. I grilled them for 20 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. Let's see how it looks inside. So this is how it looks inside. Let's put some green onion for the nice color and the flavor. And sake no hoiriyaki is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Because the salmon is steam cooked in the aluminum foil bag, it's so moist and fluffy. It goes really well with soy sauce and butter. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Sake no hoiriyaki is the main dish, so let's put it here. Plain rice here and onion miso soup here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. How about carrot kimpira for the other side dish? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!